tell us a little bit about the integration with Comcast via the platform, and sort of the needs that they had and the solutions you provided, and the greater opportunity in the industry?
The application that Comcast actually created is very interesting for a number of reasons. One, it's actually running on an Apple device. It's running on iOS devices, so iPads and iPhones over a Wi-Fi network. And the second reason that it's exciting is that it's actually using a number of elements of our Microsoft Media Platform to do that. So we announced this with the platform at NAB, and the announcement was around the Comcast Xfinity.tv app on the Apple devices. So you can download the app. It's a free of charge download, and if you're a Comcast subscriber, as I am, you have access to the content that is part of your Comcast subscription. So in my case, I don't get any of the premium channels, so I have access to all of the on-demand content that I'm entitled to access. And that's one important component that we're seeing of TV everywhere. The access component and the authentication component ends up being a very important piece of that whole puzzle. So giving people access to the content they've actually paid for. The second piece, obviously, is access to the content on the devices they want to actually stream it to. So PCs, Macs, iOS devices, Windows phones, and so on. So the Comcast application uses the Play Ready DRM technology from Microsoft, as well as the IIS smooth streaming, adaptive streaming technology. And they're using our porting kits on those devices to actually consume the encrypted content as well as the adaptive bitrate content on those devices. So what we have here is the Comcast Xfinity TV application. This is actually running on an Apple device, and the reason I'm showing it on an Apple device is because it's showing some features of the Microsoft Media Platform, which I'll talk about in a couple of seconds. But first, let's look at the app itself. We're connected to my Comcast account right now, and you'll see the content that I actually have access to. As I scroll around, you'll see that some of it's got a little key indicator attached to it, and that means I actually don't have access to it. So you'll see these are premium channels, Showtime and HBO, which I don't have access to. All of the other content, though, I do have access to, and I can go off and tap on it and play it. All of this content is secured. It's encrypted using our Play Ready DRM technology, and it's streamed over a Wi-Fi connection using our smooth streaming, dynamic adaptive streaming over HTTP technology. And these are the two elements of the Microsoft Media Platform that this application is using. And Comcast used our partner, the platform, and another partner to actually create the application and embed the Media Platform technologies into the iOS application.